Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to explore how to preload pages in Chrome Canary on your mobile device. This feature can make your browsing experience faster and smoother by loading pages in advance. First, open the Chrome Canary browser on your mobile device. Next, look at the top right corner and tap on the three-dot menu. Then, from the drop-down menu, tap on Settings to open the browser configuration options. After that, tap on Privacy and Security. After that, find the Preload Pages option and tap on it. Click on Preload Pages to open the available choices, then select Extended Preloading. This will allow Chrome Canary to preload pages more aggressively, improving your browsing speed. Finally, close the settings and start browsing as usual. You will notice that pages load faster and your overall experience feels more responsive. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.